Crack your knuckles and you will get arthritis. Right? Wrong. This myth has been around forever, but here is the truth. There is zero scientific evidence that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. What you are actually hearing is just gas bubbles popping in the joint fluid. Weird, right? Multiple studies found no link between knuckle cracking and joint damage, unless you are being super aggressive about it. So crack away. Your joints are safe, mostly. Hit like if you have cracked your knuckles today, and follow for more health myths busted.